Hi guys, good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you a day in the life of a chef. So it's 6:15 in the morning, and I'm leaving for my work. My shift is going to start 8 a.m. in the morning. I'm doing breakfast shift, and here is how it looks when I'm going to my workplace. Okay, so it's 7:15 in the morning, and I reached at my workplace. Here I'm punching in for the day. And here I'm having my breakfast in the staff cafeteria, and I'm going to change my uniform. Okay, so here I am all set, ready to go for the day. Here I am entering the kitchen, my breakfast shift. Here chef is baking the plain croissant for the breakfast operation, and here after that I went outside to check the breakfast buffet if everything is okay. And here is the hot section. Before this I showed you the cold section. And here is turkey bacon, chicken sausages, under the lamb boiled eggs, roasted potato and falafel, egg menemen, full madamas, pastry section, some jams, coffee machine, and here is our waffle station. So after all this, I have to prepare enough quantity of waffle batter for the breakfast. After doing all that, I have to set up the backups of my breads, croissant, Danish, everything, so that when it's busy, I don't have to run here and there. And here is the time lapse of a busy breakfast operation from inside the kitchen. It's very small, just have a look. And after closing the breakfast buffet, I have to close the paperwork also. Need to write buffet temperatures, blast chilling temperatures, and everything. After closing the breakfast, I have to jump into the pastry because I'm a pastry commis chef, and I'm writing down here what all I have to do for day. First of all, I'm going to prepare BBIPMNT for lifetime diamond member, and here I'm putting some nut filled diamond chocolate and with some dates filled with nuts and coated with the chocolate, some apricots, strawberries, and along with this I'm going to give one fruit basket also. So okay, here is how it looks. It's ready to go. You need to send this place with the fruit baskets to the rooms, and I will hand it over to the F&B. They will serve it to the room. And after this, I have to prepare two cakes. One is birthday cake for the guest, and the second one is a complimentary cake because one of our colleague is leaving today. Today is his last day on the duty, and we have to give him farewell cake. And I'm going to shoot that part also. Then after this, one of our guests gave order for 1 kg chocolate flavor cake. The guests will come on dinner buffet and they will ask for the cake because they are celebrating their son's birthday. So I have to unmold this cake first. Because it was in the freezer, I have to put blowtorch on the sides of the mold so that it will come out easily from the ring. I'm going to cover my cake with chocolate glaze. Here I'm covering the sides of the cake with the cookie crumb so that it will look clean from the borders also, it will not look messy. Then after that I'm going to put it into the plate, and after that I'm going to put some whipping ganache on top of it, and after that I'm going to put some cream cheese frosting also later so that it will give it more colors also. Then after that I'm going to put some berries, chocolate garnish, and just need to put happy birthday on the plate, and it's ready to go. Okay, so the cake is ready, so this is how it looks. And after this I asked my colleague to help me recording the video while I was writing happy birthday on the plate. So here I'm preparing one raspberry cheesecake for one of our colleague, because that colleague is having the voucher from hotel side that she can have one dessert from hotel's in-house cafe. So she requested for one raspberry cheesecake. I'm going to prepare it and I'm going to put it in a takeaway box. After finishing with the cheesecake, I had a look at my checklist, whatever is pending for me for the day, what I need to do more. And here I'm going to prepare dinner buffet because we are having booking of 15 to 20 packs today, and the buffet timing is 6:30 in the evening till 10:30 in the night. And here I am preparing linzer cake for the buffet and chocolate cake, and on top of the chocolate cake I'm going to put chocolate ganache, and I'm going to dust it with the cocoa powder. So here is how it looks, and we need to put one more glass dessert also, which I prepared already. It's a panna cotta, and after that I need to prepare one ceramic also, in which I'm going to make pudding. I'm going to make oven baked sütlaç. Basically it's a Turkish rice pudding, and here I added 2 liters of milk in a pot. I'm going to heat it up. Then after that I need to put rice inside it, and I need to bring it to a boil. After that I need to put the rest of one orange and the juice of that one orange also. Then I need to again boil it for a while. Then after that I'm going to take 4 egg yolks, and then I need to temper that egg yolks with that hot milk, and then I'm going to transfer that egg yolk mixture into the sütlaç so that it will give it a shine also, and when we are going to bake it in the oven it will give it a nice burnt effect on top also. And I added sugar also, I forgot to record that part. And here at the last we have to add corn flour slurry also to make it light thick. Then after adding corn flour we need to bring it to a boil so that the corn flour will cook properly. Then after that we are going to transfer it into the ceramic. And here we made 2 ceramics because we are having only 15 to 20 packs, so it's more than enough for them. So we need to put water in the tray while we are baking, and we need to bake it at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes at full fan speed. Then after that I'm going to cool it down so that we can serve it further on the dinner buffet. So here is how it looks after taking out from the oven. I put it already in the blast chiller so that it can cool down. So here is my colleague who is leaving today. This is some kitchen and F&B rituals. Actually he is my roommate also. So okay, here is the last part of my day. So I'm going to cut fruit salad also for the dinner buffet. I'm going to cut some pineapple, sweet melon, apple. So my fruit salad is ready to go. I put some chia seeds on top of it also. Just have a look how it looks. All done with the checklist, and here I'm saying bye to my colleagues. Actually, he's preparing cold section buffet. He's making smoked salmon salad, and here is his condiments trolley.
Oh, me? What? Say bye. Bye bye.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions or what else you guys want to say, you can put it in the comment section. And here I am clocking out for the day.